yellow. So the idea is the second order neurons are decussate in the spinal cord, and it receives the pain and temperature from contralateral side of the body. The dorsal column pathway or posterior column pathway or medial lemniscus pathway. So first time here I am drawing the brain and spinal cord, the medulla and the pons and the midbrain and the cerebellum. Here you can see. So I am taking a cross section of the spinal cord, and also I am taking the cross section from the medulla. Here is the thalamus and the brain. So primary order sensory neurons, the cell bodies are located in the dorsal root ganglia, and they reach into the dorsal horn, then ascend to the medulla, then to the thalamus and to the cerebral cortex. You can see the gray matter. I am drawing the section of the medulla. We have in medulla actually 4 nucleus, 2 gracillae and 2 cuneus nucleus, and the fibers of the posterior column pathway is arranged in a specific fashion. Second order neuron locates in the gracillae nucleus and cuneus nucleus, and from the leg is very medial to the dorsal column, and hip is more lateral, and arms are more lateral, and the neck is going to lateral. And first order neuron where sequence the dorsal root ganglion, and second order neurons locates in the nuclei where present the medulla oblongata, and second order neurons get into thalamus where ventro posterior nucleus lateral nucleus of thalamus, and from there they reach into primary sensory cortex. That's what I am saying. Ascending pathways has 3 neuron pathways, and primary sensory neurons from external receptors travel through dorsal roots of spinal cord. Since secondary neurons make up the tracts in spinal cord for spinothalamic tract and brainstem, medulla oblongata, posterior column pathway, tertiary neurons from thalamus to primary sensory cortex through internal capsule. Ascending for conscious perception, the ascending pathways include spinothalamic system and medial lemniscus system. For unconscious perception, we have spinocerebellar, olivary, tactile and reticular pathways. Medial lemniscus system, also called posterior column system, carries sensation for 2-point sensation, fine touch, pressure, vibration. So here I am drawing the skin, and there is 2 needles that touch on a specific area of skin. And sensing the distance between the needles is known as 2-point discrimination.